Hey guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Mi Band 4. So let's jump into the video. So this is how the packaging looks like. On the left side it says it is water resistant and various exercise modes, also heart rate monitor. On the right side we have a colored touchscreen notification display and sleep and step auto monitoring. On the back we have the compatible operating systems and some other stuff available. Here we have the Mi Band. Let's keep this aside for now. And right here we have the charger. We got some paperwork here. So the Mi Band didn't have charge, so I'm charging this now. We can connect this band to a mobile phone. The mobile phone is available in both App Store and Play Store. You can search for Mi Fit in the App Store and the app is available. Also you can search for Mi Fit in the Play Store and the app is available in the Play Store too. This is what the interface of the app looks like. So to connect the Mi Band with your phone, you have to sync it first. This is the video guys, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Search for Techduo on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell button next to the subscribe button for more quicker updates. And thanks for watching.